Reversible change. If a change can be reversed, it is called a reversible change. This means that it is possible to get the newly formed product back into its original form. A reversible change can take place in both the directions. The change can be brought about by natural processes as well as by human activities.
Reversible changes. Make a boat from a sheet of note paper. What you have to do is to change the shape of the sheet paper from a simple rectangle to a boat-like shape. Now you want to make something else from the same sheet of paper. How can you do so? It is simple. Just unfold the paper and make an origami aeroplane. In this way, you can change the boat back into a sheet of paper and then use it to make an aeroplane shape. Take a balloon and blow air with help of mouth in it. Care should be taken that it does not burst. You notice that the balloon changes its shape and size. Now let the air escape the balloon and notice it. The balloon regains the original shape. This type of change is called reversible change. Take flour and try to make dough. Take some dough and make a ball. Then try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and wish to change it back into a ball of dough again. This type of change is called reversible change. Take a balloon and blow it to its size. Tie its mouth with a string tightly. Prick it with the pointed tip of a pin. Oops! It bursts. It means it cannot regain its shape. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Will roti regain the original shape? No, it can't regain its original shape because it is an irreversible change. Suspend a rubber band and a steel spring from separate hooks near the wall. Mark their positions on the wall. Now, add the weight of 100 grams to each. What do you see? The rubber band and the steel spring get stretched. The rubber band stretches more than the steel spring. Mark the new spring, remove the weights and observe. The rubber band and the steel band return to their original positions. You can conclude that the stretch of rubber band and the steel spring is a reversible change. Fix one end of a metal rod in the wall. Place a wooden block under the other end. Put a needle between the metal rod and the wooden block. Stick a pointer on the needle as shown here. On heating the metal rod, the pointer moves upwards because particles of solid move rapidly and expand the solid. On cooling, it moves downwards because particles of solid contract. This demonstrates that solids also expand on heating and contract on cooling. Take water in kettle and place the kettle on the burner and wait for a few minutes till the steam comes out freely from its mouth. Water, liquid state, changes into water vapor, gaseous state. Place a few ice cubes in the frying pan and hold it in slanting position as shown here. You will notice that steam condenses to form droplets of water on the underside of frying pan. These droplets of water trickle down the side of frying pan and then start falling down. Collect these droplets in a glass. Put the glass into refrigerator, freezer. Water, liquid state, changes into ice cubes, solid state, and vice versa. Take potassium permanganate and add in water and stir. The crystals of potassium permanganate disappear and water becomes purple colored. No solid crystals of potassium permanganate are seen there. This is called dissolution. Heat the solution till the vapors come out and cool it. It will be observed that crystals of potassium permanganate reappear. Thus, you can say that it is an example of reversible changes